So, I'm selling my Polo Blue GT, the car that started the channel, I suppose. I don't know, like, I used to really like this car, as you'd know. Spent a lot of time on it, modifying it and actually finding the parts that fit, which wasn't easy at the time because there wasn't a lot of bits about. But no, I'm just bored of it now. I just don't find it interesting to drive. Community for the Polo group is a bit different, so I just think it's time to get rid, move on to something better. But yeah, so that should come up soon at some point. It's a new car that's replacing this, but I still have a better car out of the two, which is an absolute beaut. But yeah, say goodbye. Okay, better late than never. Here's my new car. A 90% stock 200SX S13. It's recently had all the rust repaired on it. As you can probably tell, there's no rust. It's had a respray. There's a few little things that I need to still do, like take that masking tape off, like paint odd bits, obviously new wheels, but it will stay fairly stock. But yeah, here's another project car because apparently one's not enough. But yeah, I'm over the moon with it really. So hopefully I can post the odd bit now and again. I want to do bits to either car. But yeah, I'm happy lad.